Hi, Dr. Stern here, and today I'm going to answer the question, are sugar alcohols a healthy alternative to regular sugar? So, for a lot of reasons, yes they are, but we'll get into why it might not be the best solution for some of you. Number one, let's talk about the positives. They are natural sweeteners and they're referred to as polyols. So because they are natural, they are much better than your artificial sweeteners that are processed that can have a negative influence on your body. The good thing is that they do not have ethanol. Even though they're called sugar alcohols, it doesn't have ethanol, so it's safe for people who are not allowed to drink alcohol or who have issues with alcohol altogether. Number two is that they are low on the glycemic index. So even though it is a natural sweetener, it's not going to have the same type of impact on your body as regular sugar. Now, there's one sugar alcohol, Maltitol, that does have a little bit of a negative impact with the glycemic index. Its glycemic index scores about a 36. Still low, but if you're pre-diabetic or you have insulin sensitivity issues, you probably want to stay away from that one specific sugar alcohol. Third good thing is that it's been shown to be very healthy for your teeth. Unlike real sugar, sugar alcohols actually have benefits for your teeth and help the enamel stay nice and strong. Now, those are really good things, so what could possibly be bad? Sugar alcohols are not processed, so they go to the intestinal system undigested. And what that can do is it can lead to gas, pain, and bloating. So a lot of people out there will sometimes have issues if they have too much sugar alcohol in their diet, and it can create a lot of digestive issues. Two specific people are people who are sensitive to FODMAPs and also people who have IBS. So if you know that you're sensitive to FODMAPs, if you've been diagnosed with IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, then you definitely want to stay away from all of the sugar alcohols. Now, again, there's some good things, and because you might have a sensitivity, some bad things. If you cannot handle sugar alcohols, and you find that you get bloating and gas and digestive pain after taking them, definitely eliminate them from your diet, and a safe alternative is stevia. Stevia is not a FODMAP. It will not have a negative impact on your glycemic index the way real sugar will. It's also not artificial, so it's a great natural sweetener that you can do that is in replace of the sugar alcohols if you have these digestive issues. All right? So the answer to the question is, for most people, sugar alcohols are a safe alternative to sugar, but if you have digestive issues when you take them, take note and use stevia as a replacement. I hope this helps on your journey to better health. I'll be seeing you soon. Have an amazing day.